Taxis, meron ba dito ang taxis? Dalawa lang. Yun no, nakita nyo. May point 10 agad ako dito. Point 10 no. Successfully added to your balance. Welcome back to my YouTube channel mga kaibigan. Boss Pero Official nga pala to. And for today's video, may panibago tayong pag-uusapan at i-review yung isang game app from Play Store. So disclaimer lang tayo for educational content and purposes, and syempre for awareness. Ayan guys, so bago nyo install yung application na to, bago nyo i-download, please panoorin yung buo yung video na to, or i-research nyo at kayo mismo yung mag-check kung may potential ba nakitaan dito, or ito ba ay worth it na pag-aksaya natin ng oras. Ayan mga kaibigan. So as of today, meron akong $0.20 sa loob ng application na to. Ito mismo yung balance ko. So, na-try ko siya kahapon lang. So, tingnan ko kung based on my experience and observation is medyo madali yung kitaan dito maliban sa ibang application. Kasi may $0.20 agad ako dito, mga kaibigan. Madali yung pag-earn. Kaya lang ang tanong, legit ba to? Real make money ba to? So, ayun ang pag-uusapan natin. So, check din natin disadvantages and advantages ng application na to. So, let's go, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe mga kaibigan. So, ito nga pala ang application na Cash AI. Task and Earn by Fix Apps Co. So, meron sila dito ang app support. Ito yung developer information nila. And then, meron siya dito 100 downloads. As of today, yan pala yung nakapag-download nito. And check natin, kailan ba ito na-release? So, March 17, 2026, and then March 28 in-update. So, bago pa lang talaga. At kung mabasahin natin yung about this application, ayan o, Cash AI is a mobile platform where users can complete small AI data annotation, tasks, and receive platform rewards for their contribution. So, dito, daily rewards, user may receive additional rewards for logging in the app regularly. May referral program sila, and then dito guys, meron silang withdraw rewards. Kung mabasahin natin, users can request withdrawal once the minimum balance requirement is reached. So, magkakaano ba or ano ba yung amount o kanilang minimum cash out dito? So, yan pag-usapan natin. Supported withdrawal method nila is included PayPal, bank cards, Visa, MasterCard, and regional payment providers were available. So, transparency notice. So, meron silang transparency notice dito guys. Cash AI provide rewards for completing AI data annotation task. Then, Cash AI, dito guys, check natin kasi nabasa ako dito. Ito. Cash AI does not guarantee a fixed income and should not be considered a source of employment. So yan mga kaibigan. So meron din sila dito yung disclaimer, o sabihin natin, meron sila dito reminders. So, simulan na natin to. Open natin. Ayan. Ito yung pinaka-home or dashboard ng application na to. Dito yung ratings, referrals, syempre kung mag-invite ka, support team kung mag-message ka about sa withdrawal mo. Kasi kung may issue ka, money not received, pwede ka mag-message sa kanila directly. And then profile. So ngayon guys, ito yung balance history ko. Ayun o, $0.20. So, check natin. Okay. Excellent. Now you can proceed to task. We wish you successful earnings with Cash AI Task and Earn. So, yan. Paano ba yung kitaan dito? Ito ay ito sa kanilang earning method, isa to sa kanilang category. Sa task, nakita nyo dito guys, visual recognition, may AI response comparison, meron dito, ano ba to? Ayan, AI comparison, keyword extraction. Ngayon, sa visual recognition, dito muna tayo mga kaibigan. Pag tinap natin, meron tayong pwedeng ma-earn na $0.10. So, paano ba? Paano ba dito makapag-earn daw, makapag-ipon? Tap natin tong visual data labeling. So, dito nakalagay transport select all square with transport. So, nakalagay sa baba, please analyze the grid carefully. So, ito yung grid, yung mga square na yan. Then, yung mag-test niyan is yung AI. Check niya kung ikaw, kung tama yung sagot mo dito. So, dito, kailangan nating itap yung kung saan bandang square yung mga sasakyan. Transport. Verify natin. So, yun na kagaya niyan guys. Task not accepted. Please study the image and every grid square more carefully. Try again natin ulit. So, transport. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check natin. So, ano ba? Verify natin. Ayun. And then, road sign. So, ito yung road sign guys ha. Ito yung road sign. So, ito mismo itatap natin. Yung mismong sa loob ng square. And cars. 1, 2, 3. Cars. Piliin natin yung may mga cars dito guys. Taxis. Taxis. Meron ba dito yung taxis? Dalawa lang. Yun no. Nakita nyo. May point 10 agad ako dito. Point 10 no. Successfully added to your balance. So, select next task. So, naging $1.30 na yung earnings ko dito, mga kaibigan. So, nasa atin yan kung saan piliin natin. So, ganun lang mga kaibigan. At meron siya dito ang referral. Sa referral, meron silang your friend will get $0.30 instantly after entering your code. So, ito mismo yung code, mga kaibigan. Ayan. So, how much can I earn? Tap nyo yan. Ito. Nakita nyo yan, guys. Sophia never forgot to claim her $0.10 daily bonus. Yan, guys. Nakita nyo yan, no? Yan, no? She entered Rita's promo code. Then, Sophia never forgot to claim. In 5 days, she completed 137 tasks. So, total of 19.80. So, ito yung paano makapag-earn, how it works, how much can I earn, sabi dito, mga kaibigan. So, how to get a bonus, tap nyo lang ito. How to get a bonus, claim your $0.30 bonus, enter promo code during sign up. Yan, tapos, next tayo. Share with a friend. So, ito lang mga kaibigan, and then may support sila dito. So, kung mag-withdraw kayo at hindi pa dumating yung withdraw nyo, halimbawa nag-withdraw kayo, is meron na sila ditong support team. So, guys, wala akong sinasabing legit ito or scam o ano. Basta ni-review ko lang to. Nasa inyo yan kung gusto nyo subukan itong application na to. Pero, sinasabi ko agad, for awareness ha. Ayan. So, check natin. Pag nag-cash out tayo, withdraw funds, yan o, may Bcash, Nagad, bank card, and PayPal. Sa PayPal, ang pinaka-minimum withdrawal dito guys is $10. Or sabihin natin nasa 550 pesos. So, $10 po yung minimum cash out dito. Ngayon, ano ba yung disadvantages and advantages nito mga kaibigan? User-friendly siya, libre download, no top-ups, no investment. Ang disadvantages lang kasi, ang laki ng minimum withdrawal niya. Dapat ginawa nila kahit mga 0.50 or sabihin natin mga 0.35 o $1. Pwede na agad ma-reach yun para malaman agad natin. Dito kasi 0.30 yan, medyo matagal pa ito mga kaibigan. Yan o, history ng pag-payout mo. So, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. At ganun lang, palagi po tayo mag-iingat. Bye-bye.